Welcome to Educational Point Collegiate. Under the supervision of Sir Waqas Qamar.
Class 9 and 10. Physics. Chapter number 1. Introduction. Prepared by Sir Waqas Qamar.
Scientific method. It is a specific method used for the search of the truth in reality. Steps of scientific method. 1. Observation. In a scientific work, the most important thing is observation. Observations are taken very carefully and systematically. In this way, all possible informations are gathered about a physical phenomenon under investigations. 2. Hypothesis. Keeping the observations in mind, a scientist makes some hypothesis or postulates to explain the phenomenon. A hypothesis is a notion of a scientist on which he tries to explain the phenomenon. 3. Theory. He designs a theory on the basis of hypothesis and gives an elaborated explanation about the phenomenon. 4. Experiment. The theory is checked by experiments. If theoretical and experimental results agree with each other, the theory is regarded correct, otherwise it is discarded. 5. Laws. If the theory is supposed to be correct, then the theory becomes a law. The law is such a statement regarding the behavior of nature which explains the observations and experiments of the past and can predict about other aspects of nature. Contribution of Muslim and Pakistani scientists. Abu Ali Hassan ibn al-Haytham, 965–1039 A.D. Closing parenthesis. Introduction. Abu Ali Hassan ibn al-Haytham was born in Basra, a renowned city in Iraq. He was a great scholar of physics, mathematics, engineering, astronomy, and medicine. Book. He wrote many books on various subjects. His book on optics, Kitab al-Manazir, gained great reputation among scholars. Contributions. He discovered the nature of light and told that it is kind of energy. He gave formal definition of ray of light. He gave 2 laws of reflection. He also carried out research on the formation of images by spherical mirrors. He also discovered another important principle, that a ray of light passing through a medium takes a path which takes the least time to traverse. Invention. He invented a pinhole camera, and with this he obtained an image of sun eclipse. Yaqub bin Ishaq al-Kindi, 800–873 AD. Introduction. Yaqub Kindi, 800 AD, was born in Basra. He produced several research monographs on meteorology, specific gravity, and on tides. His most important work was in sound and optics. Contributions. He explained musical notes on scientific ground. He also discovered a method to express the notes in terms of frequencies and used it to fix the order of various notes according to their frequency. He also discussed the nature of sound. He worked in geometrical optics, which was translated in Latin. Abu Muhammad bin Ahmed Al-Barrooni. Introduction. Al-Barrooni was born in a small town Burun in present Afghanistan in 973 AD. He was a great scholar of his time. Book. He wrote more than 150 books on various subjects, such as mathematics, physics, cosmology, geography, history, culture and civilization, archaeology, comparative religions, geology, chemistry, and biology, etc. Contributions. He practically proved that Earth is round. He also measured the circumference of Earth. He discussed the movement of the Sun and the Moon, the phases of the Moon, and also the movement of the planets known in those days. He gave the method of determining the longitude and latitude of a place. He also found densities of various metals. He said that the Earth is floating in space just like a grape float in water. He disclosed that Indus Valley was once the basin of an ocean. It was gradually filled up mud. Now it has been confirmed by modern geologists. Dr. Abdul Salam. Introduction. Dr. Abdul Salam was born in Jang, a small city in Pakistan, in 1926. He was very intelligent from his very childhood. He passed every examination with distinction.
Achievement. He was awarded scholarship for higher studies in UK. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1979 for his work on grand unification theory, GUT.
Contributions.
He established International Center for Theoretical Physics at Trieste, Italy, where scientists from the developing countries are provided opportunities to augment their research work in which they are engaged in their own countries by joining with elites of physics. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan.
Introduction.
He was born on 1st of April 1936 at Bhopal in India. Achievement. He has been awarded Hil-i-Imtiaz by the government of Pakistan.
Contributions.
He worked as an expert at Uranco enrichment plant in Holland as a joint venture of the government of Holland. He contributed to making Pakistan a nuclear state. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel.